Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a template using the BoldSign Edit API in Postman. If you are new to BoldSign API, please check out our previous videos, which you can find the links in this video's description. When creating templates, it's easy to overlook some options. So in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of editing a template. I'll use the non-disclosure agreement template that I created earlier and show you how to modify its title and add labels for better template management. Additionally, I'll add authentication for the role in the NDA template to provide an extra layer of security. I'll start by selecting the templates folder and choosing the edit template request. This request requires a template ID, so I set the ID of the NDA template to the template ID in the environment. Next, in the body tab, remove the existing JSON data and create new JSON data. I update the title and add the labels to the template. I set the Enable Signing Order property, as I need to update the roles. Next, I'll add authentication for the role. With this API, I can easily update top-level properties directly. However, when it comes to editing nested properties within the top-level objects, I need to provide the entire object to make the changes. So, to set the authentication type, I need to provide the complete roles object of the template. To obtain this object, I'll use the Template Properties API, which requires the template ID. I will use the same template ID and send the request. The response will include the template properties. I copy the roles object and return the template edit request to paste it. I'll remove some properties which are not necessary for this action. I then change the authentication type to access code. Ensure the API key is set for authentication, and click the Send button to submit the request. The request should return a response with a status of 204. To view the changes in the UI, I open the template section in the BoldSign web app. The edited template will now be displayed with the added labels and updated titles. To check whether authentication is possible for the role, I select the Edit Template option from the menu. Then I expand the settings in the role section and check if the access code option is enabled under Impose Authentication. You can set the value of the access code when using the template. That's how you edit a template using BoldSign API. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.